conversation. You're beautiful back there. You ready for this hike? There you go. There's my little teenager.
Take the stains, make you whiter than snow. Like a tide, it is rising up.
One. Here we go. Thank you. Yeah, that's us.
Down to the river to pray. Let's get washed by the water, and rise up in amazing grace. Let's go down to the river. You will leave change. Let's go
It's like a Dr. Seuss tree.
Whoa, how far down? Oh, I'm so bummed about that.
Let's go.
There we are.
Like a tide, it is rising up deep inside a
You
curve.
saw it first, babe.
It is.
Water that brings the dead to life. Oh, we're going down to the river, to pray. Let's get washed by the water, and rise up in amazing grace. Down to the river. Let's go down. Let's go down. We're going down to the river,
Mommy lost her phone right there. And we walked. Back, up. We're right here. Now we just have to go back down.
Here.
Let's go down to the river.
Number 4. You're getting tired.
Down in amazing grace.
Here's number 6.
Where we can go to lay the troubles down, eating your soul. I know a place where mercy flows. Take the stains, make you whiter than snow. Like a
Down bound.
rising up deep inside a current that moves and makes
Hey. Hey, Mama.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Joe.
This bench that you created. He is my hero.
washed by the water, and rise up in amazing grace. Let's go down.